Okay, hello. This is post lab for chemistry. Let's get into it. Okay, so sorry. It says using your data, and the fact that the water has a density of 1 gram per 1 milliliter, and specific heat of water is 4.18 joules per grams degree Celsius. For each salt, organize, calculate the molar heat of the solution, kJ over mole. Okay, every salt. So closer. Bah. Okay, so calculate the H solution, which is kJ over mole. Hopefully you guys can see this, because I have to re-record it. That's gonna be bad. Okay, so you need to find this. The molar heat of solution is also known as enthalpy. And enthalpy is like remember Q of like, what was it, bro? Yeah, Q of system. Enthalpy is Q of system equals Q of surroundings, right? But then like one of them is a minus, like either one of them. So in the reaction, in the thing, I'll use my data for example. My data, I'm gonna use. It'll be different for everyone else's, but like hopefully this is like you can like use this and like apply to your own data too. So I'm gonna use ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. My NH4NO3. That was my mass was 2 grams. The volume of water was 49.5 milliliters. And my initial temp was 17.8, and then my final temp TF was 16.1. Right. So whatever like your temperatures will be different for every salt, right? In this case, my ammonium nitrate, it started at 17.8, and then it went down to 16.1. So when it went down, it got colder, which the surroundings lost heat. So because the surroundings lost heat, it's gonna be negative. And so the solution, Q solution, you wanna focus on the reaction, and the reaction is a system. You wanna find out like, you wanna focus on the salt, and the salt is a system. So if H solution is K equals Q system equals negative Q surroundings, it's gonna be all over moles, right? It's gonna be what you want to find is Q system, basically, because that's a salt, and you want to find the molar heat of each salt. So you want to find Q system. So basically, and since over moles, you have to rewrite it as Q system over moles equals negative Q surroundings over moles, right? Hopefully you guys are still tracking, right? Because it says molar heat, molar heat is anything over moles, and then so when it's over moles, it's gonna be, you're gonna expand the surroundings. It's gonna be negative. Remember Q equals MC delta T. It's gonna be equals M C and then delta T all over moles. But it's gonna be the mass of the surroundings, the specific heat of surrounding, and the temperature of surrounding. Right? Yeah. And then so you're gonna focus on surroundings, right? To find the Q system over mole. And so you have all these variables, right? To find the mass is in grams, right? So mass has to be in grams. The mass of the surroundings, right? You're given, my mass is 49.5, but this is 49.5 milliliters. So we need to convert this to grams because mass can only accept grams, right? So to convert it, it's going to be 49.5 milliliters. And the reason why he gave us the density of water is because look, it's grams over milliliters, right? So 1 gram will have 1 milliliter. And this will equal still 49.5 grams, right? So you have that. The MS surroundings will be negative 49.5 grams. The specific heat of the surroundings, remember, the surroundings are the water because you drop the salt in the water. The specific heat is given, it's 4.18. And then the temperature, right? All we need now is temperature. Temperature is always the temperature of the final minus the initial. TF minus TI. In this case, the TF was 16.1. 16.1 minus the initial was 17.8. This is gonna be 1.7. Yeah, negative 1.7. So it's gonna be my temperature. Negative 1.7. All over the moles. This is gonna be the mole of It's embarrassing. What did Miss Lee do? What is 0.034? Oh, right. It's gonna be the mole of the system. Because right, like how else are you gonna find the moles of the system? Because right, I had 2 grams. 2 grams of NH4 NO3. So I just need to find the grams to moles for that. Let's do that right now. So it's gonna be 2 grams. I need to find the molar mass. Nitrogen is 14.01. NH4. Hydrogen 1.08 times 4 plus oxygen is 14.01 plus this oxygen is 16 times 3. So my molar mass would be 80.052 grams for 1 mole. Right? Simple division, 2 divided by 80.052 will give me 0.0249. Right? So we just put this in there over 0.0249. So now we did this, and we just need to calculate that out, right, to find the H of solution, or the enthalpy. 49.5 times 4.18 times negative 1.7 divided by 0.2249. This would be 14, 1, 2, 6. But you're not done, because this isn't joules. You want kilojoules. Alright, kilojoules. So 0.38. Kilojoules, you just move it 3 decimals for me. So 14, like 1, 2, 3. 14.126. 3. Now this, oh, you can't see it in the fan. It's gonna be 14.126 joules per mole. Now this is gonna be my molar heat for my yeah, that's gonna be my molar heat for my thing. Let's all right. Let me know if you have any questions. Yanni, say hi to the camera. Mr. Gonzalez. Okay, bye bye.